Actually, yung mga activities natin, we tried na i-lessen yung volume ng ating mga basura na ma-generate, and we make sure as well na susundin natin yung mga provisions ng single-use plastic ordinance ng munisipyo. So from the suppliers and even doon sa head ng pag-i-implement ng mga activities na na-identify natin, is alam nila na kailangan as much as possible environment friendly yung pag-implement ng project. Like and then sa one of the activities na na-mention ko kanina, yung sa palit basura, ano naman yun, nakafocus naman yun sa pagtatanggal, like for example, ng mga plastics na pwedeng ma-generate during the activities. And at the end of the San Juan leg, which is on the 26th, early in the morning, magkakandak po kami ng clean-up drive. Everyone is invited yung gustong makiparticipate. So the cleanup drive will start at Waves Point and matatapos po siya doon sa may kubo, doon sa harap ni Charlie's Hangar. So yun po, i-make sure po natin na whatever waste na let's say maiwan after nung mga activities natin at night is matatanggal talaga. And additionally, si LGU naman ay may beach cleaners siya, and then well coordinated naman po sa ating mga barangays to help us out maintain yung cleanliness at saka orderliness ng surfing area.